times, but I've never had their papaya salad. So let's see. And we got it Thai spicy. It's very, very refreshing, especially after the holiday season with a lot of heavy food. This really hits the spot, and the heat kind of grows by each second, but it's not unbearable. I guess it's probably much spicier in Thailand, but this is really, really good. We got a little shrimp here. I'm gonna soak that in the juices. It's still warm, along with the salad. Okay, I'm gonna try the beef salad. I'm gonna try this little piece. Wow, very perfumey. Get some lettuce with that. That's also really, really refreshing, and it has mint leaves, so it just like lifts up the dish. Meat is a bit on the tough side, but I really like the flavors in the salad. So, recap, all in all, flavors were really refreshing. It was exactly what I wanted after all those weeks of eating really heavy, salty, creamy foods. This was light, citrusy, garlicky, gingery. Really enjoyed the flavors, but the downside was that the meat was quite tough, and if I'm gonna be completely honest, it tastes like leftover meat, and they were cut very thickly. It would have been nicer if they were a little thinner. And I'm told that in papaya salad you need to have those dried mini shrimps in the sauce, and they didn't have that here. But I don't have that much to compare with. I thought it was very flavorful. So after all that talk about having a break from heavy, creamy food, we thought we'd make a stop at Salt and Straw for some cooling ice cream to cool down the heat in our mouths right now. So Salt and Straw, here we come. So the line at Salt and Straw was so incredibly long that we're actually gonna skip the ice cream. But we did, however, find this place on Abbot-Kinney that they raise their chickens and ducks and turkeys, I think, and they have them lay eggs, so you get fresh organic eggs, farm style. So we actually got a dozen of them, and really excited to try these.